Good morning, statistics. I forgot on Friday's notes to have you write the equation of the line. So you've got your notes here that you have the regression line on the scatter plot, but we didn't copy the equation. The regression equation was down here in this box. Y hat equals 16 plus 0.09x. So I should copy that, paste it, come on, copy, paste. And for some reason, instead of that, just press enter, delete, and space. Okay, so I want to talk about what this means a little bit. So y hat is the expected value. So if you put in 140 for x, it would give you the dot that would be right on the line. So because that's the line of best fit is where we expect the data to be. If you put in 170, it's going to give you the dot that would be right there on that line. So notice none of these dots are exactly on the line, so you won't get any of the original responses. Even if you put in 120, we had somebody who weighed 120 pounds, the result that you get is going to be the dot that's on the line, not the dot that actually existed. So y hats are expected values or estimates, not actual values. The rest of this equation behaves just like slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. It's just kind of backwards. Here we've got our m, x, and here's our b. So if you remember from algebra, m is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. So we have a very slight positive slope, and we have an intercept of about 16. So why doesn't this look like it's 16 right here? Because this is not at 0. If we extended the graph down all the way to 0, it would cross at 16. So that is what your regression equation is going to tell you. So if we're going to look here, predict the pack weight of a 150-pound boy who joins the group, we're going to plug that 150 pounds into the equation. Remember, this is body weight, and body weight we decided was our x coordinate. So we're just going to plug 150 pounds in for the x. So y equals 16.26 plus 0.09 times 150 pounds, because the body weight was the x coordinate, and you're going to solve that out. 0.09 times 150 plus 16.26. So your y hat, not just y, your y hat is approximately 29.76. There's a way to do the symbols in the typing, but I'm just going to draw it. So look at the graph. If we put in somebody who had a body weight of 150 and scrolled it up, it's about 29 pounds, and that looks just fine on the graph. So that dot would end up right there. That's the expected value. So this is where the predictions come in. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at your assignment. It looks something like this. We're going to compare GPA and ACT using Statlet and the regression line. All right, anywhere that it says sketch, if you'd like, you can just screenshot it and copy it in there. All right, and if you have any questions as you're working on this, mark them and ask them in the meet.